And if you need to scream, well, you can talk to me. It's pretty simple, doesn't have to be a movie scene. And when it's raining out, I lay my jacket down, and you can hold my crown, cause chivalry is dying with me.
Take me home, go down the road we know. Feel the wind as we're going. I like spending these moments with you. Drive around, laughing the best we know how. Broken tires, hard in June, but I like spending these moments with you. Out of place, out of focus, all these sweet little moments with you. Out of this place, out in the waves, it's first. Far from this place, in the morning I wait, have you heard? If it's dancing in the rain, spending lazy days. All the things that I do, all these little moments, I'm glad I get to spend them with you. Moments with you, moments with you. Now far we go to wonders and places unknown. I see clearer roads, they are familiar when I'm with you. And even in the coldest nights, if we're listening or picking fights, in this moment I'm hoping I'm spending it with no one but you. In this place I can focus on these sweet little moments with you. Out of this place, out in the waves, it's first. Far from this place, in the morning I wait, have you heard? That if it's dancing in the rain, to spending lazy days, to staying out late, all the things that I do, all these little moments, I'm glad I get to spend them with you.
shoe. Swimming with your hands on your back isn't easy to do. I never wanted trouble from anyone, but little did I know my life had just begun. I've been thinking about high school and how I didn't have any friends. Still I didn't want to grow up, I just wanted to play pretend. I don't know where the years have gone or how I've stayed alive this long, but I'm holding on, I'm holding on. In my third year of high school I got punched in the face. It was the most alive that I'd felt in days. I'd had a couple drinks and went to cue a song. According to him, I must have done something wrong. I remember landing on my back and hitting my head. Everyone around us gasped and thought that I was dead. I never wanted trouble from anyone, but little did I know my life had just begun. I've been thinking about high school and how I didn't have any friends.